our religions are same. Not at all. Not at all. My third page is the 5 tenets of religions. I have given the 5 tenets of all the religions, my lord. Totally different. This is Ramayana. There is not a single sentence. You follow Ramayana, you pray Lord Ram. If you will not follow Ramayana, will not pray Lord Ram, you will go to Naraka. एक वाक्य नहीं लिखा है कि केवल भगवान विष्णु ही पूजा योग्य है, विष्णु पुराण को ही मानो, अगर नहीं मानोगे तो नरक में जाओगे, नहीं लिखा है। भगवत गीता एक सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है, भगवत गीता को मानो, कृष्ण को मानो, नहीं करोगे तो नरक में जाओगे।
You are going beyond the subject and issue being discussed by every one of us. You said 52 alphabets in Sanskrit, one of the finest language in the world.
Yes, my lord.
Similarly,
Yes.
Tamil has 247.
Yes, my lord. Yes,
So
yes.
don't go into all those areas.
No. What I am point is, my lord,
Yes.
if we will interpret the constitution in English, then today we have the 9 judges bench, tomorrow we have 11. No in. If we will interpret considering it as Samvidhan, and what is the meaning, then we have different.
In Kannada there are 52, so therefore don't
Yes,
go
yes, yes. No. All the Indians. Sorry.
See, all
I am-
are equal.
I am sorry. I am sorry. All the Indian language have the 52.
Don't go into
52 alphabet.
superiority in the court of law, please.
No, my last submission is this is दुर्गा सप्तशती. एक शब्द सेंटेंस नहीं लिखा है केवल दुर्गा जी की पूजा करो, दुर्गा सप्तशती पढ़ो, नहीं तो नरक में चले जाओगे. Also denomination, not a single sentence. Please follow our Samaj. Please follow. Very important, my lord. Sorry,
Fit all this.
we have to stop you.
Yes,
Not a public platform. My lord,
Presentation.
my submission is this: dharma and religion is not same, and all religions also not same. Entire world is burning due to religious conflict. 25 countries due to denomination conflict, religious conflict. So my submission is this, my lord.
Time is over, Mr. Upadhyay.
Yes. Now I will only conclusion. Just see, my lord, conclusion. 5 is expressly subject to all other fundamental rights because it's conferred a novel right to propagate religion on individuals, unlike any of the nations from which we adopted our constitution. Article 26 does not confer right to propagate religion on religious denominations. The intent of the framer was never to grant right to propagate religion to religious denomination in light of the damage that was done by them before and during the 1947 partition and massive massacre. Article 26 is impliedly subject to the other provisions of Part 3 of the Constitution like the other. Now, my